Hi guys, for today's video I'm sharing with you what I got in my FabFitFun box for fall. Super excited because I did partner with FabFitFun to share with you guys their subscription box that they offer. It's basically a seasonal subscription box that comes with full-size items. The cost of it is $49.99, but it comes with a total value of over $200 worth of stuff in it. And I like the fact that it's full size, so you also get beauty products, hair products, lifestyle products. There's a good mixture of everything, so it's not just like one or the other. Another awesome thing is they partner with different charities each season, as well as female-founded companies. And with their boxes now, you actually get to customize some of the items that come in the box. So I'm excited to share with you guys what in specific was in my box. You can also use a code that they've provided. I'll put it on the screen here, and that is going to get you guys $10 off your first box. And keep in mind, FabFitFun is not only just available in the US, it's also available in Canada and the UK. So I'm just gonna jump right into it and share with you guys what came in my box. So the first thing that came in the box is this cute little small magazine, and I like the fact that there's a few little fun articles in here, as well as everything is outlined right here. It tells you the value, like what the retail price of each product is, and it also shares with you guys what is customizable, like different items, as well as what comes in standard in every box. Another thing that I like, again, is just it's full size. You're not getting like little small like trial sample sizes. So I'm gonna jump right into it and share with you guys what exactly I got. And I'm just gonna keep this open for reference so I can tell you guys the total value. But the first thing that I saw when I opened this, and this is $18 retail, this is a hair towel. And it's crazy because I've actually been in need of one of these. It's one of those things where I've been meaning to purchase it for myself, but I never have. And I told myself literally 2 days ago, I was like, I need to get a hair towel, especially having naturally curly hair. This is like an essential thing for me. So the fact that this came in here, I was like so excited. So again, it's really good quality hair towel that you can use, and this is just better for your hair. It's also easy because this one allows you to put it on the back of your head and keep your hair like up. It even has this little button closure to keep everything fastened together. So definitely gonna get good use out of this. And that's one thing that I love about the FabFitFun box is just quickly sneaking a little peek. Everything is something that I would use. Sometimes when I got other subscription boxes, there were things in there that I was like, I'm never gonna use this, but this one is like amazing and everything I'm gonna use. So the next thing that I got is this, and I was literally so happy to see it. So this is a value of $30, and this is like a wood and ceramic cheese board little gift set. So I'm gonna open it up just so I can share with you guys what it looks like, but immediately I was like, wow. Again, something that I would definitely use, and it looks super cute and trendy. Like, oh my God, it looks even better now that I'm opening it. The little utensils are rose gold, almost like a copper tone. And then they have the little wooden handles, and look at how cute and small they are. And then the actual plate, whoa, this is literally a ceramic dish, and then this part is wood. So it just all fits in together, and you have your little cute cheese board set, which again, this is something that I would definitely find myself using. Next is the Aveda Damage Remedy, and this is a $30 value. And what's crazy about this used to be one of my like holy grail products for my hair. I've talked about it on this YouTube channel before, and I don't know why I never like repurchased it. You know when you're looking for a new product but you don't necessarily need a new product? There was nothing wrong with this, but I totally forgot about it. So this is like a daily hair repair. I would use this all the time. I definitely think it works wonders, especially if you like color your hair or process it in any way. This definitely helps to repair some of the damage. This next product is at a $16 value, and this is the Harper & Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. And immediately when I saw this, I was like, wow, this is such a better invention than like what I'm using now, because my current exfoliator, I feel like you have to like dig in the container, and when you're in the shower, it's just so difficult. And this is like a little cube already ready to go to exfoliate with. So super convenient. And when I opened the box, it smelled amazing, and I didn't know what it was, and it's these. It literally smells like candy and like flowers. It smells so good. So excited to give these a try. The next product is an $18 value, and this is the Humankind Body Souffle. I thought that this is what smelled so good in the box, but I assume that it's not. This smells equally as delicious though, and this is just a body moisturizer. And again, happy that I got this product because you can never have too much body moisturizer. Now, when I run out with the one that I'm currently using, I can just switch over to this. And again, this is also vegan and cruelty free, which is another amazing thing. So super excited to give that a try. The next little container is at a $54 value, and I know why. This is a vitamin C type product. So this is vitamin C mixing crystals, and the lady that gives me my facials actually recommended that I incorporate more vitamin C into my routine. So definitely excited to try this out. Basically, it's a little powder, and you can mix this in with your other products like your moisturizers and whatnot, and this is just gonna give it a little boost of vitamin C. Again, perfect for the skin on your face, so I'm definitely excited to try this out. So excited when I saw these in my box. These are gold eye masks, and they are at a $25 value. Again, look how handy this is to just be able to like reference and to learn a little bit more about the product. So yeah, these will be going on after this video. I love any type of eye mask for under the eye, and these are the gold kind, so excited about this. The last thing that I got, but definitely not least, is a Anthropologie travel yoga mat. This is a $50 value, but like, that's why I think FabFitFun definitely like sets themselves apart. Like, what subscription box comes with like a full-size travel yoga mat from Anthropologie? Like, so awesome. So I'm gonna try and get this out of the box, but yeah, look at how compact this folds up to. It's a yoga mat. It's like blue and lavender, and I will definitely put this to good use. So that is everything that came in my fall FabFitFun box. I'm so excited to have shared that with you guys. Don't forget to use my code that will be in the description box down below for $10 off your box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!